Wait, it's a keychain. Hi guys, welcome back to the Emary and Elany channel. Today, before we start the video, you know I always know what I do. I like and subscribe before we start the video. You can share this to or comment. So we're gonna be opening these. So these are all the characters you can get. There's even a boy one. So this is for boys and girls, but you don't know which one you get. And it's the same. No, it's not the same on the other ones. This one is different because the girl is over there and the girl is over there. But look at that one. See that one? There's 4 and there's 3. Is this one different? Let me see. No, it's not different. Okay, let's get opening this. First, I want to start with the middle. So, what? That's hard to open the plastic. I'm so excited to open this. I did it. Gotta leave that on the table. I'll clean it up after. Is it over? It just popped open. So now I think we gotta which one? Let's see which one we got. Ooh, bubble wrap. Pop, pop. Wait, it's a keychain. So as you see, she has little cheeks that makes a little noise, and it's like a fidget spinner. You can also pop it. So her name is Style Sandy. Okay, so it's like that. But look at what she does. Okay, first you can pull her hair, spin her bow, spin her tutu, and pop her like that. Now let's open the other one. Gotta put that over there. This is from Walmart. Oh, that one is hard. Maybe we should open this one. Pop, pop. Open it. Satisfying. Okay, it's easy. Is this her sister? Definitely this is her sister. This one is already broken. It's the same. You can stretch it, do this, and you can spin it and pop it. It has the same cheeks. It's the same. They're sisters. Two sister twinkler baby girls. Happy face, happy face. I love my happy face. Happy face. Okay, gotta fix that. Okay, now we're gonna open the another one. Yeah. Well, already open. Rumble. I got all girls in a row. You can spin that, touch that, pop it. Dun 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 dun. I'm the sweetest girl in the old town. I'm playing you can't. She can't move her body though. She can say hello. Hi guys, welcome back to the Emary. They're like all friends. Guess what? This is probably gonna be me because my two friends are sisters. So these guys are sisters. So guess what, guys? When I was in the park today with my friends, my two friends were playing in the park, and they looked like identical twins. And that's the same. And then this is me. That's crazy. Look at this. Whoa! I can make a bun. Look at that. I made a new hairstyle. It looks like a braid. Whoa. So let's see what's. I already opened that one, so it's that one. Let's check on the menu. Okay, there's a lot of menus. Okay, so this one. So chick Cindy, yeah. So chick Cindy, and this one is Fancy Nancy. Oh, I wanted that one. See that? So look at her ears. There's other people. Oh, that's the boy. There's another boy. I didn't know. Look at Dapper Dale is a boy. And Ollie is a boy. Whoa, it looks like that's so cool. But she lost her ponytail. But could stretch her ponytail. Does she have ponytail? And you can stretch hers too. What? That broke it again. I broke it again. I broke it again. Get that over there. At least they're twinsies now. They both have one ponytail, right? They look like identical twins. They're wearing the same clothes, same outfit, same cheeks, same hairband, and same hair. Because I broke those hairs. Oh, let's see what I can do when I switch them up. Let's put that one from that. It looks pretty cute. Now let's put that one. To that. Oh, my goodness. It's broken. It's broken. The hair is broken. Yeah, it looks cute anyways. Look, I can hang her up on my book bag. I can do the same with the other ones too. Yeah, how? Oh, cool. Yeah, that one just fell off from that one. Yeah. It's stuck on her legs. And now you can do the same with that one. Hang it on your book bag. This is so cool. I always wanted this kind of teaching. I gotta clean this note up because it's kind of doing stuff. And now you're looking at my pictures, which was from a video. 2 videos. Maybe 1 video. Okay. Yeah, I'll go with 1. Because, remember? Right. Okay. So, remember that one. It was from my video. It was from the Feeding Ducks video. If you haven't watched that video, watch it now. Bye, guys. Say goodbye. 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 Bye. Bye, guys. See you later in my next video. And maybe Elany's going to be in it. See ya.